Hi everyone, my name is Eliav. I'm doing SEO almost, actually over 20 years. And last week I shared a great post about programmatic SEO websites list that I found, and I decided to share it with the, with the LinkedIn followers and Twitter, and it just, got crazy with tons of comments that people ask for the list, and I just shared it for free, for sure. On the same time, I got a friend who asked me to review his product. The product is Monkyt. He shared it with me because in the past tweets that I shared, I recommended about another tool that's called AutoBlogging, which is doing really great if you ask me. And I decided to why not test his product and try to see maybe I can get something better. And on the same time to show you the list that I shared with many people, and how can you actually take it from list of URLs into actions, which is my motto in my life, make things done. So let me show you first the list. So here's the list. I shared it as a text file, but this is the next step, meaning I just took the list into a screaming fog. I activated the API, the Ahrefs API, what makes it very easy for me to get information like traffic and referring domains, etc. So here it's very easy for me to take the list, kind of 9K, and just filter it from Z to A, meaning from the highest volume in terms of traffic to the lowest, and I can go and check bulk sites, something like I can take everything and open all the links and try to see and find the opportunities. So let's say we found a few websites. I can tell you that I found this nice website, my Bump to Baby, which is kind of a programmatic SEO, or let's say the truth, it's easy to copy because it's very general topics, and there is no spatial editor that really give his input here. There is no doctor, I guess, here. And by the way, that's why they got kind of it in the last update. But anyway, we can take the topics they found and try to make it better, for sure. Another site that I found is how to fix type of website, how to fix things, and also something nice, which is checking price, which is how to travel from X to Y. So very, very easy again to duplicate. And another website is how to draw things, like how to draw a Halloween pumpkin, etc. Also, this website is great in terms of traffic. It's growing. Okay, got it, but it's growing. And also something kind of SEO, kind of programmatic SEO for sure. So we can test it. So to save our time, I just found the list of okay, let's say here's the list that I took from each website, how to draw and how to travel. We can choose right now a few baby articles, like we can just go to the website, check the top pages, and we can take a few. Okay, let's take through 3 articles. Cool. Now let's copy everything and another how-to, and another how-to. Okay, so since I know that auto-blogging takes time, I already run a few headings, meaning I actually started to run these 8 topics, which is the how to draw and how to travel. Actually, I didn't started this. So as you can see, it's almost, I don't know, it's more than 10 minutes that it's running, and still we don't have anything here. Okay, so we need to wait. And let's talk about Monkyt. If I compare the user experience or the look and feel, it feels more, product that, easy to understand and more organized than AutoBlogging, which contains a lot of text between fields, and it's really not clear by 100%, and it's not easy for beginners. Look at this. The godlike is the main feature that I'm using, and I'm using the bulk mode, which is look like this. So let's say it's not the best user experience in terms of the interface, and when I compare it to Monkyt, it's very easy. So let's compare the main things, which is the bulk generate articles in AutoBlogging, and also the AI writer of Monkyt. They also have the bulk mode, which took me 1 minute to understand where I can find it. So here is the bulk mode, and super easy. I can just take the article, the topics that I have. Okay, all these I already done, so I will show you the results later. But let's take, for example, these topics that we just found from the baby website. And the tone should be professional. Assigned to project, it's not for me for sure. Blog URL we don't have. The blog is about babies. Auto name, let's call it Eliav just for the fun. And target audience should be mommies. I can decide if I want to bring some external links. Let's say, because it's it's not a health website, but it's talking about healthy topics. It can be kind of YNYL, meaning your money, your life, and it's better to to bring some sources and things that can prove what you are saying or what you write. And it's very important. So just for the test we can use external links. Of course it's better if you can do this by yourself, but let's try the tool and see if it can make it good or not. I'm generating. Are you sure? Of course I'm sure. Let's do the same with AutoBlogging. Okay, again I will paste the articles. English USA, the length is, let's say, long. The type of article, which is good feature, it's informative. The guidelines mode, again, it's one more credit for each article, which it means that for this article I will pay 6. For these articles I will pay something like 6 credits. But just for the test, let's taste it. I can add takeaways, facts. I want the tool to add external links. I don't need a video. That's it. By the way, both of the tools allowing you to auto post on on WordPress, which is super important when you are doing bulk articles. I can tell you that till now I worked with AutoBlogging, and it's very easy. You know, the settings at the beginning is a bit complicated, but once you have it, it's done. You don't need to do anything else. You just need to fill the information here one time, and when you are generating the content, it's you know, it will be part of the drafts of your posts in WordPress, and then you can just, you know, click publish and it will publish, or you can schedule it. It's very nice. Okay, so we finished with all the settings, and I think we are good. Let's generate the articles. It's a new feature, by the way, something from the past week, so you can see the status of your bulk generation requests. It takes time. Again, this one is almost 20 minutes right now. If you want to see things, you can see it here. This is something I tested before, but it's not relevant for our test. Let's take a look on the Monkyt dashboard. So here are the 3 articles that we just generated 2 minutes ago. Still in progress. So let's move to see the content that Monkyt already created based on the topics that I found before. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Let's say how to travel from Hanoi. Let's take a look on the article. Oh, this one is great. You can see here the competition metrics, which is the main keyword on no to Sapa travel. The keyword difficulty is 0. Maybe it's right, maybe it's wrong. We can taste it. Global volume is 30, and number of words. This is the word of article. You can see the focus keywords here: Hanoi to Sapa travel, travel guide, Hanoi to Sapa. This is great, really great. It's a bit remind me Surfer SEO, which is something I used in the past. Your ultimate guide traveling from Hanoi to Sapa. Okay. Again, remember that the title of the original one, it's about how to travel, or how to travel from Hanoi to Sapa, which is the main keyword if you ask me. Let's see. Hanoi to Sapa flight. Okay. Okay, I try to find the keyword difficulty. Let's try here. How to most of the volume is from the Singapore, Vietnam, and USA. The keyword difficulty is 3, which is good. And matching terms. Sorry. Hanoi to Sapa train. Okay. Again, we can find another how to travel from Hanoi to Sapa. Actually, this is the the main keyword of Monkyt, how to Sapa travel. I don't know why this is the main keyword here, but okay. Hanoi to Sapa, so we can again fix the H1. We can remove this H2, which is really not important. The intro is good, okay. Again, good is two options. I'm not sure that this part is relevant because, okay, you know what, it's relevant. Okay, it's good. It's good. It's good. Let's see if we have something new here so we can taste it. No, we can. We still can't see the articles. Okay, let's take another article from Monkyt. Something with a keyword difficulty and the main keyword is a bit weird for me here. But okay. How to draw Naruto. Draw Naruto, this is the main keyword, which is great. It's easy, which is also great, the global volume and everything. Okay. It's interesting to ask, to see or to understand where is the data coming from, meaning is it something for the US market or from the Japanese market? Okay, and it's really interesting to see what Ahrefs say. Okay, this keyword is great because you see the volume and you see the keyword difficulty. It means that very easy you can get or reach to the, you can see also the competition. Most of it's YouTube, it's crazy, but you have Reddit here and Quora. Okay. So let's go again to master the art of drawing Naruto step by step. Again, I like to mention the main keyword, like how to draw Naruto. So this should be the the H1 if you ask me, but maybe AI tools knows better or not. I don't know how to edit a guide, starting with the basic. The issue with this kind of article is that you're expecting to see some images here. Okay, I'm pretty sure that once we will search on Google. So most of the results, as you remember, okay, it's video. This is crazy. I mean, here is the site that we took the topic from, so you can see that you have images here. Okay, it's part of the thing that that's why they rank here and not below. So it's interesting to see if AI like DALL-E 3 can help here and make any images. I can tell you that with AutoBlogging you can add a few images, meaning you can write an article. Well, you know what, let's taste it now, but I'm not sure when we will see the result. How to draw Naruto. Let's say auto informative. Let's go to the let's take this as a reference. After Naruto. Okay. Anyway, you can think about images that you put between the paragraphs, and it will be the change. Anyway, if I can make it in short, I can say that the content here is good. There are many content elements like bullets, number list, tables, which is great. The content, again, it's AI, but it's good. Most of the content that I reviewed, which is almost 10 articles that I saw and checked. Looks good. The images is something that I want to see, and I'm pretty sure that I will see it soon. And of course, there are many tools like the Topical Map that I didn't try yet, but it looks good. And the UX and the user interface is great. It works fast compared to AutoBlogging, unfortunately. And that's it. I really hope that I give you more ideas how to work with the list that I shared. If you still don't have the list, you can check it in the comment in the description of this video below. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe, because it's a new channel that I'm trying to build. This is the first. This is my first video in English, so I appreciate any feedback that you have for me about the video, about the sound, about everything. And that's it. Wish you a lot of traffic. Have a nice day.